How to create videos for Shorts, TikTok, Real video size in Capcut on PC. Import video file.
I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a
drag to timeline.
It needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
Change video size to 9:16. Resize it.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic if you wanna taste.
Change canvas for background.
They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Add some text.
I got a switch in my head, I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red, now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said, I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget, so now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
Now you can export.
My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.